Transform your home's worn-out lawn into a beautiful oasis filled with low-maintenance California native plants. It's easy and affordable with help from Moulton Niguel Water District's NatureScape program. The NatureScape program replaces your thirsty turf with a sustainable, low-water use garden that benefits our local watershed and your water bill. Moulton Niguel's professional partners will help you through the entire process, from customizing your landscape design, removing the old turf, selecting and installing plants, and teaching you how to care for your beautiful new garden. We're with you every step of the way. Moulton Niguel customers get a free landscape and irrigation assessment, 50% off design fees, plus upon installation get a $4 per square foot rebate incentive for every square foot of replaced turf. You'll not only benefit from lower monthly water bills, your new landscape will help local pollinators, including butterflies and hummingbirds, and help protect our local creeks and beaches from urban runoff pollution while conserving the most valuable resource, water. To learn more about Moulton Niguel's NatureScape program, visit mnwd.com/NatureScape or get pre-qualified by attending a Moulton Niguel landscape workshop.